Exposing the truth: AI might be smart, but it can't do everything. Here are 5 jobs it can never steal. First up, therapists. Sure, AI can chat, but can it really understand your feels? Nope. Human empathy wins, hands down. Next, chefs. AI might follow a recipe, but where's the soul in that dish? Only a human can make grandma's secret sauce taste just right. Now, artists. AI-generated art might be cool, but creativity and imagination, that's pure human magic, my friend. Fourth, teachers. AI can give you facts, but inspiring a classroom? That's a job for someone with a real beating heart. And lastly, comedians. AI can crack a joke, but timing and wit? That's a human specialty. Who else can laugh at their own jokes with such style? So there you have it, 5 jobs AI can't touch. Human creativity, empathy, and humor always win. Keep dreaming big. AI's got nothing on you. Like and subscribe for more fun facts. Catch you next time.